Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video showing you how I achieved this pineapple method on day, I don't know, on an old twist out. And to also give you guys an update on my flower wall. Cute, right? Yeah, I thought so too. So if you want to see how I achieved this pineapple, stay tuned. Hey y'all, so let's get right into this hair. This is a week old twist out that I picked out entirely too much, and I always hate it after that. And before wash day, I always get a little lazy, so the pineapple method is always my go-to. Oops, look like there's snow in the forecast. So I always like to start off by oiling my hair. So I took tea tree oil and massaged it through my hair, because we don't do dry hair over here. Okay y'all, I had to take a brief city girl intermission, because why not? Period. Just gently spritzing my hair with water, and I'm going to take my pick and just pick it out. But I try not to take the pick completely through my hair, because I don't want to make it frizzy, more frizzy than it already is. Jam. Oh, jam. So I like to take jam and just put it around the rim of my hair to kind of help me mold my hair into that ponytail shape, not shape. So now I'm just going to use my hard brush just to brush everything up to keep it intact for the ponytail. So to achieve the perfect pineapple, I like to use a pantyhose. Yes, a pantyhose. It works like magic and it hasn't failed me yet. So I take a pair of pantyhose and I first cut them in half, and then I cut the top part that will go over your butt. I cut that part off. So once I cut it off, I wrap it around the rim of my hair, and I wrap it maybe 3 or 4 times until I'm able to tie it around the back. So since I'm still in the beginning stages of slicking these edges, child, look, we're gonna use the Gots to Be. And I'm still learning, y'all, so don't revoke my black card just yet. Give me some time. And I may have gotten this edge brush from the hair store, and y'all, it is a lifesaver, because sis don't know how to slick edges for nothing, okay? And now we have a pineapple. Get it? Me and the pineapple. Yeah. So now I'm just going to tie these edges down. And you know, we just going to hope for the best. But until next time, bye guys.